In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the measuring tool in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. To get started, you'll first need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you have the document you want to work on ready and that it's accessible in Acrobat. This tool is perfect for accurately determining dimensions and making precise measurements, which can be incredibly useful for designers, architects, and anyone who needs to document measurements. Once you have your PDF file open, the next step is to navigate to the All Tools section. Here you'll find a wide range of tools that Adobe Acrobat Pro offers for enhancing and analyzing your documents. Scroll through the options until you find the Measure Objects tool. This is the tool we'll be focusing on today, as it provides you with the functionality to measure elements within your PDF. Clicking on Measure Objects will activate the measuring tool. You'll notice the cursor change to reflect the active tool state, indicating that you're ready to start measuring. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the tool's interface, as this will make the process smoother and ensure that your measurements are as accurate as possible. Once the tool is active, you'll need to decide what type of measurement you wish to make. Adobe Acrobat Pro gives you several options such as distance, perimeter, or area. Each of these options serves a different purpose, so think about what information you require from your document before making a selection. For instance, if you're measuring the length of a line, the distance option will be ideal. On the other hand, if you need to calculate the perimeter of a shape or enclose an area, then the perimeter or area options will suit those needs. Now, with your chosen measurement type, you're ready to begin measuring. For a distance measurement, click on your starting point, then move your cursor to another point and click to complete the distance measurement. If you're measuring something like an area or a perimeter, continue clicking on each point that defines the shape's boundaries. Take your time with this to ensure accurate placement. After completing your points, Acrobat will automatically display the calculated measurement directly on the page. You'll also see this information detailed within the measurement info panel, which should appear on the screen. This overview provides you with a comprehensive summary of your measurements, making it easy to document or use in your work. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use the measuring tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps with different documents to become more familiar and efficient with these tools. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.